Hi guys, welcome. This is another beautiful course by beautiful instructor. Guys, permit me to introduce Build Complete Udemy Clone using PHP. Guys, this course is loaded with lots of features. Beginner developers, advanced developers. This is a course that you guys can take to add more to your knowledge, of course, to increase your income. We have developed this solution exactly like Udemy, and I can tell you that this solution that we want to build in the process of this course has 70% of Udemy features. If you ask me, what about the 30%? Guys, that is why you are here, for you to learn how to build this solution so that you can add the remaining 30%. Guys, this is the front end of the course, exactly like Udemy. Add to cart and add to wish list. So we have the front end like Udemy. You can search for a course. If it is not there, you are going to see the result. Likewise, this guy here, you can search for a course and it's going to display the course that fall into that categories. Are beautiful. So look at these icons, although not the same thing with Udemy, I give you that, but guys, we have the icons there. So if I click on any course, beautiful, look at it, we have exactly like Udemy. Course title, brief description, cost rating, number of students, created by, last date updated, and the course language. Look at this guide also here. What will I learn? Just exactly like Udemy. Look at the course curriculum. We have the number of lessons, the number of hours for the course. You can expand just like Udemy, expand and collapse. Beautiful. Look at course requirement. We have the description. You can also have other related courses. You can view more, view less, view more description. Beautiful, right? About the instructor of the course and student feedback, course rating. So let's talk about this portion. So this portion talks about the course preview. You can preview the course. All right, we have the add to wish list, buy now, and add to cart. Guys, this course is loaded. It can tell you this is the add to cart button. So this is the course category. I mean, of course the course category. So guys, let's log into the administrator and see how the back end looks like, so that we can quickly discuss about the back end. Beautiful. So guys, this is the back end. You can also search for the name of the instructor and the student here. If it is not there, you are going to see no result. You can change the theme to your desired theme. All right, you can also change to purple if you like with Ajax. Okay, I can decide to use right to left option. Beautiful. And I can also decide to use left to right option. So I want to change this back to dark theme because I love dark theme. I code at night. All right, so guys, let's talk about the course category. We have the student, we have the student enrollment, expense and expense category, instructor payment, message and promotion. We have the general settings, manage profile, and logout. So guys, I am going to start from cost promotion. So let me click on cost promotion. I want to choose, okay, let's choose green. All right, let's leave this. Okay, I'm going to select this date and let me say the promotion is running. So I want to click on save. All right, so let's click on visit website. Beautiful. So the course is expired. Okay, look at this is what I'm just trying to explain to you. Okay, let's go back to cost promotion. We really need to talk about that because this course is loaded. I think I forgot to select something here. Course, okay, it's going to expire by on the 30 and the course is running. Okay, I want to click on save. It has been saved. Let's go back. Beautiful, look at it. So we have 6 days. Today is 23 and I selected 30, so which means that it has approximately 7 days. So if you are running promo, so your client or your potential student would see just like Udemy. So I can easily go back to an administrator and off the promo, and once the promo ends, it automatically updates itself to not running, so that when students visit your website they don't see the promotion. Cool, right? So let's talk about the courses. This is where the features lies on. So the first one is that let's talk about create new course. So guys, we have a form that handles instructor to create new new course. This is the course intro. So where we talk about the course title, course description, full description, category, okay, course language. You can also set if this course is a top course. So then you proceed to basic and needs. This is where we talk about course requirement and course objective. Here we talk about the pricing, we talk about the media, and we talk about search engine optimization. So let's go back to manage courses so that you could see how lessons are added. So when you have a new course, it will be added to the courses available. You can now click on this edit button to add your lessons. Beautiful. So now we want to add lessons, guys. The first thing is you have to add section. After section, lesson, you can also add quiz, and these are the lessons that I have added. Of course, I'm going to teach you how to achieve all these. So let's talk about the student. All right, you can decide to add student manually. You can also handle student enrollment. You can enroll student manually. All right, so let's talk about the instructor. Here we have pending instructor settings. You can decide to list all the instructor and instructor payment. So let's talk about the general settings. Okay, so this is where we talk about the APIs. Guys, we are going to communicate with APIs, and in this course we are going to have 2 payment gateways. I'm going to teach you how to integrate PayPal and Stripe. Of course, we are going to work with their APIs. Cool, right? You can also track the expense, calculate the expense, your expenditure. Okay, so you can manage profile, and I think that's all. And those are the things that we are going to cover in the process of this course. So it is a multilingual course, software that you can select the language. For instance, if I select Arabic, it automatically translates all the traits to an Arabic, provided you have added the language on that language settings here. So I can click on translate on Arabic, and you can see that this guy has been translated. So I want to change that back to an English. So these are what we are going to discuss in the process of building this solution. So let's go to an instructor. If you click on pending instructor, so all pending instructor are listed here, and approved applications are listed here. So let's talk about the instructor settings. Okay, so guys, I'm trying to clone Udemy. Okay, so do you allow website registration for an instructor? Yes. Then verification type, is it video verification, document verification, image verification? That you can now state the description or the instructions that you want your instructor to follow. Then this is the revenue. We have instructor 30%, admin 70%. So if I select 50%, this is going to be auto calculated. So these are what we are going to discuss in this course. All right, if I click on instructor payment, this is it. So an instructor could request for payment and the instructor could see pending payment. All right, so I want to click on instructor. Actually, we don't have an instructor. So guys, I want to log out from the administrator. I can now click on register your account here. So guys, let's talk about, I want to choose Offine Tech and Offine Tech tutorial. I'm going to select any country. Okay. All right, so okay, I think let's select United States or any country. You should see the state here. All right, okay, this is not coming up. It's okay, but we have the areas that when you select the country, of course, you should see the state in that country. All right. All right, I know why that guide is not coming up. It's because I'm trying to fetch jQuery online. Okay, so we can now say that tutorial can select any country, select the state, you get the city automatically. So I want to use Offine Tech. Of course, let's choose 1, 2, 3, 4. When you click on register now, so we have your registration is successful. We can now log into that instructor, okay, portal. All right, beautiful. So welcome Offine Tech tutorial. So guys, this is an instructor page. Of course, you have registered as a student. If you want to become an instructor, when you click on instructor, it takes you to an application page. You have to read the terms and condition, click on application form to go through the instructions and follow according to given instructions. Okay, so when you apply to become an instructor, submit the necessary document, click on save. It's going to be reviewed by the administrator, and if your application is valid, that administrator will approve that instructor and you can now start selling your course on this platform. Guys, we have a certain as regard registration of new student. Okay, so when you come down to this guy, student email verification, if you enable this email verification, it means when students register, they are going to be, a code will be sent to their respective email addresses where they are going to follow the link to verify themselves, their account, before they could be able to log in into that system. So we are going to take good care of all this, and I can assure you guys that you are going to learn bunch of things. Guys, I promise to make sure that we write clean codes, no copy and paste. I am going to teach you from simple to complex. So guys, what are you waiting for? I want you to click on buy now button as you join me as we build complete Udemy clone using Code Igniter PHP framework. Thank you guys. Bye.